Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta and the Bitcoin response of the bullish Nasdaq or not. Okay, so you see that the Nasdaq just today we are closing the Nasdaq above the weekly close candle, the previous, and this is the biggest pump for the Nasdaq. Usually the Bitcoin following the Nasdaq, but what is the response? So far, response for the Ethereum, I mean the Theta is going to down, and also the Bitcoin in here is also going down. So I will discuss and share the opinion about the analysis. Also the Bitcoin dominance, and you see the three plays. Okay, so stay tuned to this video. Let's talk first about the Theta. Okay, the Theta. As I told you previously in so many videos that the Theta is still going downtrend. As I told you previously when the Theta break from this falling wedge, and in the last 1 month, as I told you, the Theta still going down. And now, what's the response? Because the Nasdaq is so bullish in here. And how about the Theta? Can Theta back to green in the weekly close candle in the next 2 days? Okay, the things is that we know that this red line, that the moving average 200 is the biggest resistance. We checked so many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already rejected 5 times using the moving average 200 days. And in here, we are rejected by moving average 100 days in the white, I mean in the yellow line. And the question is, whatever that the price is still going down or maybe the price is still going up, in here we have the biggest resistance and we are still going downtrend. But for the short term, I think the next support for the Theta is in 0 0.5, the Fibonacci retracement. You draw from this line to this line, you can find this number, and 0 0.8. 0 0.8 is the best time if you want to DCA. If you want to DCA now, it's up to you, but I'm not, because if the price still going up, we are still going downtrend by this moving average in the red, because you know that the economic is bad, the interest rate is high, FOMC is hawkish. That's why I think it's still bad, but I think market can still going to up just to relaxation for just 1 week, 2 weeks. It's still okay, but it's a high risk for me. I'm still waiting 0.8 US dollar in the Fibonacci 0.5 for the data. And the next is about the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. You can see that I show you three ways. The first phase in the 2018. The orange one is the Bitcoin. When the Bitcoin just going to sideways, Bitcoin dominance going up. That's when I told you that the altcoin is dead. Bitcoin sideways, altcoin dead. 2020 in June, you can find that the Bitcoin is flying in here. And the Bitcoin dominance also flow. What means the altcoin is dead. So the Bitcoin just fly alone. And now 2022, look, the Bitcoin is going down and the Bitcoin dominant is going up. What is the altcoin is double time. That's why you need to watch your coin against the Bitcoin, your altcoin against the Bitcoin, and also to watch the Bitcoin dominance. And also the theory about the people said in 2014, okay, 2016 we going to 66 K US dollar, but it's happening 10 years later. The people said in here, the second line, draw this one, and said 300 Bitcoin, 200 Bitcoin by 2021. They are done. And now the people draw this line again and saying this is 100K by this year. I'm sorry, they also gonna die. Why? Because every time you draw this line, it's just the biggest speculation that you ever achieve. You never achieve in the last 10 years of the Bitcoin. That's why don't just draw this line. And next, that look, the downtrend I think is not over. Even the price is still going up, as I told you that. Look, in here we have green 2 months. 2 months green, or I mean almost 5 months. 5 months we are green. We now we are have around one 8 weeks, 8 weeks red in here. That's why if this still going on, it's still possible. If you're learning for 2008, look, every time we touch the red line, retest, retest, and we ever hit below this yellow line, we going to the white line. The moving average in here, 200, 100, and 200. Okay, look, it's break, it's going down, confirm as resistance, we are flat. In here, we retest and fail, going downtrend in yellow, we still strong, we going up again, but in here we fail as the support, and we are going downtrend and we fight this white line. Now, we are have the resistance in here, support in here, and retest in the March. In March we are fail, we are going downtrend. Now we are below the yellow one. Every time that we are below the yellow one in here, we always retest the white one. The question is whether we still going up to retest the yellow one before we are going to white one. It's still possible. But for me, market is still in the bad condition. I'm gonna buy the dip when we are hit this white one. But the question is, it is still straight to going downtrend or maybe just going sideways, going up, and people back to bullish when the Bitcoin 36, 38, when the Bitcoin 38K in here, the people sit back to bullish. But the question is, we have this line as the resistance. So after hit this one, we are still to going downtrend. That's why this is the long game. Remember, this is from 2000 and December 2017 until bottoming is the 1 year. So almost to December 17 until December 18. This is 1 year downtrend. In here, we have the November 2021. So from here to this year, maybe the November is the bottom. Okay, 1 year bottoming until the November 2022. That's why, as I told you, the Q4 is back to bullish, but maybe the late Q4. Until then, I don't care whether the price is going up or going down. We are still in the going downtrend until the Q4. Okay, and then look, Nasdaq is going up, the Bitcoin is going down. Even if it's going up, maybe it's like, just like the distribution you need to remember. And you can compare the Bitcoin divided by the Nasdaq. Bitcoin divided by Nasdaq in here. Look, we are in the falling wedge, but we are ever retest in here and fail. We are ever retest in here and fail. And now we are still going downtrend. Look, because the Nasdaq fly, the Bitcoin down, the price is going down. That's why I don't care whether the price is still going up or down, but we are still in the falling wedge. That's why let's watch whether the Bitcoin can close in the green weekly or not. But you need to remember that Bitcoin dominance is going up. Altcoin is the risky. If you want trading, it's better you just trade the Bitcoin. But for now, I think the Bitcoin is still in the bad because the retails thinks that they are the short term, but the whales playing over the long. If the whales looking like this one, and this one, I think the price just going to put down. Okay, even look in here. We have from here in here we have the pump from the $6,000 to $8,000. So almost 30% going up before we are going down there. So that's why even the price is going up to 30%. I don't think the whales gonna buy because the whales who buy in here, who buy in here, still waiting to buy in here. Okay? I think that's for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give your comment. Thank you.